So I'm going to do a quick walkthrough on a new foreclosure. This is actually in Crestview, Florida. And this property is going to make a really good cosmetic flip property if it's priced right. Because I'm pretty sure this servicer is not going to do any repairs. And this house, major thing I see wrong with it, it's going to need a roof. It looks like it has the original 3-tab roof. You can see right there above the garage area. It's pretty bad. But I'm almost positive this roof is shot. The AC doesn't look all that old. And you got a brick veneer front on this one with vinyl siding on the sides and back, so low maintenance. And it's really all cosmetic. I mean, the roof's probably the biggest, most expensive thing. So we just got this property and it hasn't been trashed out yet. That's why you'll see a bunch of junk still in here. But it's got a split floor plan. You've got 2 bedrooms on this part of the house here in the front. You can see this bedroom. I mean, it all it needs is flooring, new carpet, and a new wall paint. So this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. So it looks like it's got the original builder grade cabinets and countertops. I mean, it's all dated, but it seems to be in pretty good shape. So depending on really what you want to do with this property, if you wanted to make it a rental, there's not really that much to be done. These floors right in here are in really good shape. I don't see any issues with them at all, just from what I've seen. Okay, so here's your kitchen area. You've got a little room to have a dining room table. Here's your kitchen. I mean, it's kind of dated. It looks pretty much original, but it is not in bad shape at all. I don't see any major issues, cracks, broken pieces, or nothing. Got tile floors. They need to be cleaned and the grout cleaned, and they look pretty good. Now I'm almost positive the hot water heater is going to have to be replaced. I'm sure it's over 15 years of age, and that's going to be an insurance issue. And the garage door is kind of beat up, but it still looks like it's working fine. I don't have the specifics on me as I'm doing this video, so I don't know the year or anything like that. But as we've already seen, it looks like the roof is original. It's 3-tab, which is going to have to be replaced. That's going to be an insurance issue. This room, this master bedroom, is pretty good size. It's got a nice cathedral ceiling. It just needs new flooring and paint. In your master bath here, it's another example of original countertops, original cabinets, original faucets. It's just very dated. You can tell it's, builder grade stuff. It's nothing was updated when they built this house. Walk-in closet. But it's not bad. I mean, it's it's not like a typical rehab property. Besides the roof and probably installing new carpet, most of the stuff probably could be done on the very cheap side. You can see on the back here of the roof, I mean, it's just toast, so it's going to have to be replaced. All the vinyl looks to be in really good shape. Once it's pressure washed and cleaned up, it'll look great. Nice little flat fenced-in backyard. Storage shed looks to be in really good condition too. And there's big trees, so there's really no grass, no vegetation back here, but I think it has a lot of potential. It's going to boil down to whether they sell it strictly as is, which is my first guess, and what they list it for. Alright, well that'll do it for this video. I'll update once I know a price or anything more on the property, but that's it, not bad. Like I said, the biggest item is going to be a roof, hot water heater. 2 things that need to be done professionally and have permitted. Then you just got flooring and paint and update baths and kitchen somewhat, and bam, you either got a great rental or possibly a flip. Okay, appreciate it. Thanks.